Hello everyone. Today in this video we will discuss some more MCQs from production engineering. So we have considered the chapters metal forming and some questions from metrology also. So already we have uploaded some videos from production engineering from chapters like metal cutting, metal casting and welding. So if you have not watched them, then do find from playlist, or else I will attach those links in the description box of this video, so you can find it from here also. So do watch them also. So uh, be with me till last so that you can take maximum benefit from this video. So let us move forward to discuss MCQs. Okay, so first this is the question from metal forming. So first question, if you read, so which one of the following manufacturing processes requires the provision of flash and gutter? So flash and gutter will be used in your die forging, okay, close die forging. Okay, in case of a forging only we can use our flash and gutter. So option A will be the correct one. So let us check all other options also. So option C, that is B, is telling that centrifugal casting. So this will be not the correct one, and investment casting is also not the correct one, and in fact extrusion also don't use your flash and gutter. So option A will be the correct answer over here. So let us check it. So A is the correct answer. Let us move forward towards the second question. So if you read it, hot working of metal is carried out. Okay, so if we'll be discussing about the hot working and cold working, so difference we can define. So hot working we can say to any working operation when it is done above its recrystallization temperature of, okay, or above the recrystallization temperature of any metal. Okay, so let us read the options over here. So first option, that is above the recrystallization temperature. Okay, so this will be the correct answer. Let us check all other options also. So at the recrystallization temperature, no, we can't say like this. So hot working, so it will be carried out to at that is above the recrystallization temperature. Okay, option C is telling that the working temperature depends upon the physical conditions of workpiece. So we cannot say this is the also correct option. Then D option, that is telling that below the crystallization that is recrystallization temperature. So this will be not the correct answer for your hot working. So we can say this is as cold working. So for cold working operation we can say below the recrystallization temperature. So for question number 2, your again A option will be the correct answer. So let us move forward to check it. So here A option will be the correct one. Then moving towards question number 3. So the forging of steel specimen is normally done at temperature of what? Okay, so if we'll see forging, again this is a metal forming operation, so it should be okay, so done, okay, for forging of steel, so that should be done at the what, that is it should be done like hot working. So okay, so it should be carried out at okay, so above the recrystallization temperature. So if we see the above the melting point temperature of your steel, it is around 15 degrees centigrade, and recrystallization temperature is nearly your 11,000, okay, sorry, 1100, below the 1100. So we need to forge the steel specimen at nearly 1100. So here B option will be the correct one. Okay, so let us check it. So we can get B option is the correct answer over here. Okay, moving towards question number 4. In order to get uniform thickness of the plate by rolling process, one provides what? So we need to provide what? Let us check all the options over here. Do we need to provide a camber on the rolls, or offset on the rolls, or hardening on the rolls, or anti-friction bearing? So for getting uniform thickness on the plate, okay, by rolling process, we need to provide camber on the rolls. So here again A option will be the correct answer. So let us check it. So we can get here A option is the correct answer for here. Okay, then moving towards question number 5, the dies of wire drawing are made up of what? Okay, so in case of wire drawing, which material is used to make dies? So is it cast steel? No. It is cast iron? No. Again, it is used, that is carbide. Okay, so carbide used as your die materials in case of your wire drawing. So C option will be the correct answer over here, and again D will be not the correct answer. It is not the wrought iron. So we can say C option is the correct one. Let us check it, and here answer is C. Moving towards question number 6. So blanking operation and shearing operation, okay, sorry, piercing operation, blanking and piercing operations can be performed simultaneously. Okay, so in which type of die we can perform blanking and piercing operations simultaneously, that we need to tick over here. So can we use simple die for making both the operations? So this is not the correct one. Again, compound die, so we can use, this may be the correct one. Progressive die, no, it is not used, and combined die, it is also not used. So by using compound die, we can use, okay, we can make all the two operations simultaneously. So here again B option will be the correct answer. So let us move forward for checking it. So B option will be the correct one. Moving towards question number 7, a moving mandrel is used in which type of operation? So is it used for forging, wire drawing, or tube drawing, or metal casting? So it is not used in metal casting or wire drawing or forging. So it is used in tube drawing. So here we can say C option will be the correct answer. So moving mandrel is used in tube drawing. Okay, let us check it. So C option will be the correct answer over here. Moving towards next question, so let us read it. That is question number 8. The process used for relieving the internal stress previously set up in the metal for increasing the machinability of the steel. So options are given like full annealing, normalizing, and process annealing or spheroidizing. So if we will see, all these are heat treatment processes. Okay, so we need to carry out these heat treatment processes after any material or metal goes through the your different cold working process. Okay, so when any material or any metal goes through any cold working process, then what happens? So it carries some internal stresses with it. Okay, so to remove those internal stresses or to give some extra mechanical properties, we need to go through again some heat treatment processes. So these are some of the heat treatment process. So which process is carried out to increase the machinability and relieve some internal stresses which may be developed or may be set up inside the metal due to cold working process which is done previously. So full annealing is the operation by which we can remove the internal stresses which may be present inside that material. So here we can say A option will be the correct answer. So let us move forward for checking it. So we can say C, A option is the correct answer over here. Then let us discuss another chapter that already we have told you, that is engineering metrology and instrumentation. So let us discuss it. So question number 1. So here it is telling that the crank pin is connected in bush, and the dimension for bush and crank are given respectively. So this dimension, that is 16, is varying from plus 0.000 to plus 0.017, and crank pin is varying from that this dimension is also given, that is 16, which is varying from minus 0.062 and minus 0.035, and we need to find out the maximum clearance between bush and the crank. So if we will see, the maximum clearance can be find out from this. Okay, so maximum dimension of the bush and minimum dimension of the that is crank pin. So let us find out this maximum dimension, or that is upper limit we can say. So upper limit of boost minus lower limit of crank pin. Okay, so if we'll be finding upper limit of boost and lower limit of crank pin, so if we'll be deducting lower limit of crank pin from the upper limit of boost, then we can find out the maximum clearance between boost and crank. So let us find out the maximum dimension of the boost. So we can write, so maximum dimension can be given by this 0.017. so I can write maximum dimension of boost, that will be equal to 16.017. okay, so this is 7. okay, 16.017 minus lower limit of the boost, so lower limit of crank pin, so lower limit of the crank pin, that will be given by minus 0.062, and that will be deducted from 16, so we can write 15 point that is 938. okay, so we can deduct 0.062 from 16, so we can get this value. So now if we will be deducting this value from this value, then we can get our answer. So if we will be calculating this value, then we will be getting as 0.079. so we can say option A will be the correct answer over here. okay, so let us check it. So here we can get option A is the correct answer. Let us move forward towards next question. So according to the Indian standard specification, a plain carbon steel designated by 48C8, so 40C8, so we need to tell about the percentage of carbon content. okay, so how much percentage of carbon content is present in that steel. We can say this percentage is given by your carbon percentage, so it will be your 40%. okay, so 40%, so if we'll be seeing all the options, so 40% we can say 0.4. okay, so if we'll be seeing, so this is not the range, these three can be wrong. So if we'll see, the 0.4 lies between 0.35 to 0.45. okay, so this will be the range in which your percentage of carbon varies in the what plain carbon steel. okay, if it is designated by 40C8. okay, so we can take over here D as our option. So let us check it. So here we can say D will be the correct answer. So it's a printing mistake, so here D will be the correct answer over here. So with this we have reached at the end of lecture for today. So again I will say, if you have not subscribed our channel, do subscribe it and press on the bell icon, so that you will never miss any updates from our channel, and you will be getting all the notification about our video when it will be uploaded. So if you like these videos, again press on the like button and do share with everyone. okay, do share how much you can. So thank you for watching.